Hello, we're team number 3, and today we're going to talk about the component sodium hypochlorite. Our team is made up of Jacqueline, Miguel, Rodrigo, Maya, Quetzali, and Jasmine. Chemical name and formula. The formula for the compound NaClO and the chemical name of this compound is sodium hypochlorite, whose dissolution in water is popularly known as bleach water, chlorine, bleach, yellow water, drink water, or bleach.
Classification according to the type of bond, number of elements, and chemical function. According to the type of bond, this compound is ionic because have elements metals like sodium and non-metal like chlorine. This compound have three elements, so we can say is ternary. They are sodium, chlorine, and oxygen. The chemical function for this compound is a salt because although it ends with O and can be considered an oxide, but this compound is not binary. It acts as a strong oxidizing agent, meaning it readily against electrons from other molecules. In a reaction, this property is what makes it effective as a bleaching agent. It breaks down color molecules, and as disinfectant, it can kill microorganisms.
How is compound obtained? Chlorination of sodium hydroxide process. Chlorine gas is passed through a cold dilute solution of sodium hydroxide. This reaction produces sodium hypochlorite, sodium chloride, and water. This method is commonly used in the production of bleach and disinfectants. Below we have the reaction.
How is compound obtained? Electrolysis of brine solution reactions. At the anode, positive electrode, oxidation of chloride ions to chlorine gas. At the cathode, negative electrode, reduction of water to hydrogen gas and hydroxide ions. Overall reaction. Process. A brine solution, sodium chloride dissolved in water, is electrolyzed. Chlorine gas is produced at the anode and sodium hydroxide solution is produced at the cathode. The chlorine gas reacts with the sodium hydroxide to form hypochlorite. This method is preferred for producing high-purity sodium hypochlorite, especially for applications in food and medical sectors.
The third way to obtain is the reaction of ozone with sodium chloride. Ozone gas is introduced into a solution of sodium chloride. The ozone reacts with the sodium chloride to produce sodium hypochlorite and oxygen gas, and this method can occur at room temperature and is useful for oxidizing alcohols. And here we have the reaction formula. And finally, the fourth way to obtain it is the reaction of sodium carbonate with calcium hypochlorite. A solution of sodium carbonate is mixed with a solution of calcium hypochlorite. This reaction produces sodium hypochlorite and calcium carbonate as a precipitate, and this method is used to produce sodium hypochlorite solutions. And here we have the reaction formula.
Uses and application of sodium hypochlorite. 1. Disinfection and cleaning, household cleaning, laundry, swimming pools. 2. Water treatments, drinking water, wastewater treatment. 3. Food industry, sanitation, post-harvest treatment. 4. Healthcare, medical facilities, dental care. 5. Agriculture, equipment, sanitation, irrigation systems.
Now the importance. The first one is the public health. This is crucial in preventing the spread of infection diseases through effective sanitization and disinfection. The second one is the food safety. This ensures the safety of food products by eliminating harmful pathogens during processing. The third one is the water safety. This is vital in providing safe drinking water, reducing the risk of waterborne diseases.
Now, the environmental impacts, positive aspects. One is decomposition. Sodium hypochlorite breaks down into salts and water, reducing long-term environmental persistence. Two, water purification. Its use in water treatment helps in providing safe drinking water, crucial for public health.
And now the environment impact in negative aspects. The first one is the air pollution. This is when mixed with acid substances, it can release chlorine gas and toxic compounds harmful to respiratory health. The second one is the soil contamination. This is improper disposal can lead to soil contamination affecting plants' growth and the soil health. The third one and the last one is the aquatic life. This is in excessive concentrations can harm aquatic ecosystems, disrupting the balance of microorganisms and affecting the biodiversity.
Now, we conclude. Sodium hypochlorite is a chemical component that plays a vital role in daily life due to its widespread use as disinfectant and bleaching agent. Commonly known as household bleach, it is utilized in various applications, including cleaning and sanitizing surface, whitening laundry, and treating drinking water. Its effectiveness in eliminating bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens make it an indispensable tool in maintaining hygiene and preventing the spread of infectious diseases.
Thank you very much for your attention. This is all for the presentation.